channel GoDigit. Today I'm going to show you the overview of Elementor Page Builder plugin. In my previous video, I told you how to uh, add plugin, that is Elementor Page Builder plugin. Okay, so now we'll start overview of Elementor. So now you can see after uploading or after adding Elementor plugin in your website, you will see an Elementor option over here. Okay, so you don't have to do anything from here. If you want to add a new page or a post, let's suppose I want to add a new page. So I'll click on this. And now you can see a new button here, edit with Elementor. Previously, you have never seen this box or a button over here. So after adding Elementor in your website, new button is here, edit with Elementor. So first of all, write a title over here. Let me write overview of Elementor. Okay, so just click on edit with Elementor. After clicking on Elementor, the screen will appear. Let's wait. This is a logo of Elementor. See, now this is a box in which you can see two buttons: add new section, add template. We have so many templates in Elementor which is free, and some templates are pro version also. So if you will click on this button, add new section, you will see these boxes. I'll show you later on. First of all, let's see add template. Let's see the templates. We have so many templates over here. See, these are templates, pages, and these are blocks. I think net is working too slow. Yeah, it's open now. These are small blocks. If you want to use small content or small any type of list or whatever, you can use these blocks. And these are pages. Let's open it. Yeah, in this you can upload full page overview. Let me show you. If you want to add a home page, okay, so let me show you. Just click on this cross button, plus button. So this is the overview of this template. You can insert it from here. Okay, let me click on add template again. See, this is a pro version, this is a free version, pro free version. You can search over here. Let's suppose I want to add a page. I want to search. See, all pages written over here will shown here. One page. Yeah, this is one page. This is for architect. If you are an architect, you can try this, or you can modify if you are liking this any of this template. Let's suppose if you are liking this template and you think that you are not an architect and you are not making for this reason, you have to make for another reason, then it's fine. You can modify this also. Okay, let me show you. Let me click on this. See, if you will scroll down, you will see the whole page is already done, already made by Elementor. You just have to modify your content or pictures according to your content. Okay, so let me insert this. See, my whole page is here with me. So I don't have to do any work. I just have to modify my content over here. See, everything is here for me. What you need to do is you just have to change the content. Let's suppose I'm writing over here overview or Elementor. Okay, and this is GoDigit. If you want to change this picture, you can also change this. Just click on it. If you want to upload any picture, then you can upload files. Okay, so let's suppose I want to add this image, insert media. You can see our vision. You can write about us and all. And if you want to add some more content over here, you can click on add new section. If you want one box, just like this one box, you can click on this. You want to add two blocks, this, 3, 4, and so on, according to customize content. Let's suppose I want to add two blocks. See, you can see 1, 2 under one section. This one is whole one section. If I click on this, the settings will be different. But if I will click on this block, this will show you the another section, another setting. In one box there are two columns actually. So if you want to add something over here, just click on this. Just like heading, you want to add, just drag it over here. You can add heading. Okay, if you want this column to be small, just put a cursor over in the mid of these two columns. Just drag it left side, it will get smaller. Now you can see the column is very small now. If you want to do this big, drag it again. Okay, you can customize this also. You can, these are the free buttons, or you can see these are types of free plugins in Elementor, which can help you to make your website more faster, more better, professional. So you can see so many free elements are there, and there are some elements or Elementor plugins also, I mean templates which are pro version. You can also buy that also. So let's suppose if you want to add another column in this column, Just drag it over here. See, two columns are there in one column. You can add as many as you want. Image, if you want to add image, choose your image over here. Image size, let me choose an image. Insert, the size is large. Now I want to make it a medium size. Alignment, center. Okay. Caption, if you want to give it link to media file so that you can click on this picture to see it a bigger. If you want to add text to your element, you can drag it here. You can write a text also. Okay. You can also add video, button, so many things, Google Maps. So this is a small overview of an Elementor page builder plugin. So in my next video, I will tell you how to use these step by step. Okay friends, if you have any query related to my any of the video, then please let me know in the comment section, or you can mail me. I have written it in the description below. So friends, thank you. Have a nice day.